Leo Drager here. I want to talk about social engineering. Now, this module is a particularly special module because it is both an art and science. There's tons of books that are written on the subject of social engineering, and this is one of those fields, its own modular field, where it can take a lifetime to master the art of social engineering. So we're going to discuss that. Now, there's different types in which you can socially engineer someone. You can do it on a computer, you can do it live in person, and nowadays you can even extend that over the mobile networks or even through the social sites. Now, mostly the consequence here is disclosure of information that you're going to use, but if you can get a username or a password or some sort of critical information out of someone, it ultimately can result into billions and billions of dollars of just wasted money, or have a very significant impact to a company. So we weren't going to cover everything, how to actually do it, the most common attack vectors, and ultimately the harm that it can be done. This is an extremely powerful subject here, so the disclaimer's out there. You shouldn't be using this information to go social engineer, people inside the airport, okay? We have to put on our big boy and big girl hats here and act responsibly. So in the scope of penetration testing, if you're ever going to perform a social engineering attack, make sure you've got your get out of jail free pass. Make sure you've got it documenting. Make sure you've got everything documented so that ultimately you can show to the person that you're doing the social engineering test that it actually works. Get your permission slips. So let's go ahead and start dissecting social engineering.